Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know. All the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know. The love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced. I love you, yes I do. I'll be with you as long as you want me to, until the end of time. From the day I met you, I knew we'd be together, and now I know I wanna be with you forever. I wanna marry you, and I wanna have your kids. Thinking never compared to the feeling of your kisses. I can say I'm truly happy to this day. You made me thank God that I live my life every day. There's never been a doubt in my mind that I regret ever having you by my side. But if the day comes that I have to let you go, I think there's something I should probably let you know. Enjoyed every day that I spent with you, and I won't miss you cause I'm happy that I had you at all. Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know. The love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced.
Girl, simula na makilala ka dito sa aking isip, ikay lagi kong iniisip, maging pati na rin sa aking panaginip. Ikay lagi kong nakikita na para bang sa aking utak ikay namamangka, at sa puso ko ikay nagpapalindag na parang palaka. Kaya kapag ikay nakikita ko, ako natutunaw na parang tsokolate na kabilad sa araw. Ikaw ang aura na sa buhay ko nagpaiba, kaya ako'y nagpapasalamat na ikinakilala. Kasi muling mo tinakda ang puso kong nawasak, at ang mga luha ko ay yung pinagbigay sa pagbata.
You know how to start fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart. Fixing a broken heart. Nung nakilala kita, ikaw nang meron sa puso ko. Nung iniwan ako ng isang minamahal ko, kinausap mo ako at sinakbayan. Ikaw naging gamot para bang nilunasan, hanggang sa naging tayo ako tuloy na buhay. Lumiwanag aking mundo at napuno ng kulay. Ang sakit na ramdaman ko akin nakalimutan. Hindi lang ikaw aking baby, pati na rin kaibigan na pwede kong tawagan kapag mayroong problema. Ikaw lang mayroon dito sa puso ko, nag-iisa. Kasi ibang iba ka sa mga nakilala ko. Hiling ko lang sana hindi ka rin susuko. Fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart. Fixing a broken heart.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat na nandito ka. Kung wala ka, si Esko wala na. Kaya girl, salamat sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa, na ang puso kong ito muli mo nilagyan ng saya, at muli mo tinibok ang puso kong hikahos, na dati munti ka nang malakos. Kasi sa isang babae na ako kanya pinili, do I look like a toy na para magpalit na parang isang day. Kaya girl, kung mawawala ka, ako'y maglulumbay, at kapag wala ka na, ako ang bibisnik, ako'y mag-goodbye. So girl, pangako mo sa aking tabi, hindi ka
How to
aalis.
start